got a hitch in his plans. First time that they seen him on Greenbelt Road. Axe steady swinging, he lost his soul. Now he's off in the woods. Which way did he go? But don't follow close behind unless your gun on low. This beast is for real, half man, half goat. One swing from his axe and then he cuts your throat. You can play all tough, all high, all boat, but this beast is for real, man, he ain't no joke. Ask them kids from Merlin U who knew it was true. They on the Blair Witch Hunt like Scooby-Doo. Next thing that you know, they on Channel 4 News. Parents all crying, community got blues.
They say the Goatman coming, you better run and hide. Tell the women and the children to go inside. If you feel for your life, you better swallow your pride. Cause the Goatman's coming, the Goatman's coming, the Goatman's coming. You better run and hide. Tell the women and the children to go inside. If you feel for your life, you better swallow your pride. Cause the Goatman's coming, the Goatman's coming.
Shout out to Parks Entertainment, Cruise Film Work, my brother JT, Megamind 2, OBA, my man Chicken Wing, Big Thump and the friends. Yes. Also can't forget my man D-Real in the building. Yes he is. Also my main man Pop. D.O.P. Yes. Sweet TBJ, look out. The Goatman's coming. Penny Magazine here. Yes, roll it. Also can't forget my man Tay Bugs. Yes sir. Also my main man Taco. The sweet Miss Selena. The sweet Miss Tia. All the fancy ladies. Sweet Miss Keisha, motorbike, waiter